Welcome to Sled Check. On today's episode, we're going to go ahead and show you how to properly align your track on your sled. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we've come on to the back side of the snowmobile here. Now what we're going to do is actually go ahead and loosen up our axle. So we'll simply go ahead and do that. Get this a little bit loose. And all we're doing here is essentially making it so this axle will be able to slide. Now, we'll be focusing right here on our adjusters, and we're gonna wanna make sure to adjust both adjusters on the left and right side of the snowmobile exactly the same so it comes back perfectly even, making sure the track stays nice and aligned. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and check our tension. You're gonna wanna make sure to check your owner's manual because this will vary from sled to sled. But in this case, we're looking for right around 2 inches of slack underneath the midsection of the slide. Looks like we're pretty much there. So let's go ahead to the next step. Okay, so the next step is actually going to be to start up the snowmobile. We're going to go ahead and get that track rotating on that suspension, and this could walk that track left or right. So this might take some fine tuning and a few times of going over these steps, but we'll get her done, so let's get started. Guys, we absolutely nailed that our first time. So what you're looking for here is actually the distance of your track clips on both sides of your suspension. You want to make sure that that stays evenly marked on both sides. We are actually good to go. If you do not get this lucky, what you need to do is go right here and either tighten or loosen your adjustments on each side of the track. Once you do that, fire up the sled, get that thing rotating again, make sure it walks itself into place, then come on down here, and once you are properly aligned, tighten up that rear axle. That's gonna do it for the track adjustment. Now keep in mind, new tracks do tend to stretch, so after your first ride or so, you're definitely gonna wanna make sure that you get that tightened back up and make sure everything stays aligned. I'm dealing with Dennis Kirk, this was Sled Check, and we'll see you guys next time.
Sound production, take one.
Welcome to Sled Check. On a previous episode, we actually went ahead and installed the new track. Now, on today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install the track properly. Nope, how to adjust the track. We're gonna adjust the track properly. But just make sure to double check your owner's manual to make sure the proper track tension that we're going for. Yeah, because we're on the right track. Yeah. You guys, that light fell. That's gonna do it for the track adjustment video. Not the video part.